Hi everybody. Today we have with us eminent orthopedic surgeon Dr. Sudipta Ghosh. Dr. Sudipta Ghosh is attached with Woodlands Hospital, BP Poddar Hospital, Narayana Multi-Speciality and Super Speciality Hospital. Today we are going to discuss about the role, responsibility and the importance of orthopedic OT assistant. So, Dr. Sudipta Ghosh.
Good morning.
Sincere thanks for giving us time.
It's my pleasure.
What is the role of orthopedic OT assistant?
The role of orthopedic OT assistant is very important because orthopedic surgery is a team effort. The team consists of orthopedic surgeon, assistant surgeon, OT nurse and OT assistant. So OT assistant is an active part of the team which is performing the orthopedic surgery. So his role is very important.
Thank you. Should he have sufficient knowledge about orthopedics?
Actually, OT assistant should have some basic knowledge regarding orthopedics, particularly the bone which is going to be operated and the surrounding structure of that bone. A basic knowledge is required for any OT assistant. That is beneficial for patient, for surgeon as well as for OT assistant.
Apart from implants and instruments, what else an OT assistant should know?
The OT assistant should have sufficient knowledge regarding sterility because in orthopedic surgery, the number one enemy to the patients as well as orthopedic surgeon is infection. So, proper OT sterility is very important for success of any orthopedic surgery. So, OT assistant should have sufficient knowledge regarding this sterility. He or she should have sufficient knowledge regarding certain basic knowledge regarding anatomy, the anatomy of the bone which is going to be operated and the surrounding structure around that bone. He or she should have sufficient knowledge regarding these things, particularly the sterility.
So now very important question. What according to you an OT assistant can earn in a month?
It depends. OT assistant, a trained OT assistant can earn up to more than lakhs in a month because in orthopedic surgery the amount which is given to OT assistant may vary from 500 rupees to 2000 rupees per OT. So it depends on OT duration. So a OT assistant who is assisting multiple orthopedic surgeon or single orthopedic surgeon in a month, he or she can earn more than lakhs per month if he is well educated, well trained.
So Dr. Ghosh, what according to you is more important, his formal education or his functional knowledge on orthopedics?
Both, because he or she should have some formal education, some up to some level it is necessary, but more importantly he or she should be well versed with orthopedic knowledge, actually at least with basic knowledge of orthopedics, sufficient knowledge on sterility and some basic knowledge on orthopedic anatomy, etc. But both are important.
What are the needs, desires and problems from the point of view of an orthopedic surgeon when it comes to orthopedic implant company?
Okay. Orthopedic implant delivery should be timely. Any orthopedic implant company should focus on that because in orthopedic surgery sometimes time is very valuable. So after giving order, implant should reach the hospital within a specified time period, number one. Number two, the implant designs should be at per international standard. Number three is implant quality should be at per international standard. It will benefit patient as well as doctor, the orthopedic surgeon. And number three, he or she should, the company should provide trained orthopedic assistant. All these things are needed, that is timely delivery. orthopedic implant should be at par international standard, quality should be at par international standard, and design should be at par international norms or international standard. These things are very important. Thank you.
So, sincere thanks, Dr. Sudipta Ghosh. To summarize it, as you have mentioned, orthopedic OT assistant plays a very important role
Very important role.
in the success of the surgery.
Yeah, he is an active member of the team which is performing the surgery. It is all about team, not about any individual member of that team. Everybody has its active role in the surgery.
So, the functional knowledge on orthopedics becomes critical.
Yeah, that is needed because some basic knowledge regarding orthopedic anatomy and regarding anatomy of the bone is very important for a orthopedic assistant, because in OT it is an active team effort. He or she should have some knowledge.
And it is a very high paying job.
Yeah, it is very high paying job. If anybody is interested in it, if anybody loves it, then he or she can earn more than lakh a month.
Sincere thanks, Dr. Sudipta Ghosh.
Thank you.
That's all for today. So if you have enjoyed the video, please like it, share it, subscribe it. Please hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our future upcoming videos. Thank you. To know more about job and career opportunities which is existing in orthopedic implant industry, please comment below or DM us in the link given below.